Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, topic addition, which is covered in chapter 2 addition, starting on page number 23 of your textbook titled Essential Mathematics and is being submitted to you on 26th of April 2021. Dear students, as you are already aware of the concept of addition of up to 3-digit numbers, now we will continue further and will learn how to add numbers up to 4 digits. Let us understand with the help of few examples. Example number 1 is we have to add the two numbers 945 and 65. Children, as we are adding these two numbers, so these two numbers which we are adding are called addends. Now, the main thing is to arrange these numbers in proper columns as per their place value. So, 945 will be placed under ones, tens and hundreds column. And 65 being a two-digit number will be placed under the column of ones and tens. So, we'll be adding them properly, like first the ones column, then the tens column, then the hundreds column, and then we will get the required answer as it is 5 plus 5 gives 10. So 0, 1 carry over, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry over at the hundreds place, 9 plus 1 is 10. So our answer is 1010. Let us see one more example of adding three numbers together. As we have 715, 7 and 284. So 7 is a single number which will be placed under the column of ones. So adding the ones, then adding the tens, then adding the hundreds, and we will get the required answer. So the answer obtained by adding addends is called sum. Students, through these examples, we have seen the addition of 1, 2 and 3-digit numbers whose sum is coming out to be a 4-digit number. Now let us move further and learn the addition of 4-digit numbers, that is without carrying. In these questions, you will not get any carryover. So it's very simple. We have to add 4-digit numbers. The 4-digit numbers are 4641, 3146 and 2010. So first of all, as you know, we have to arrange all the digits as per their place. Then add ones. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then add the tens place. Then add the hundreds place. And then add the thousands place. There is no carryover. It's very simple to add as per the columns. And the sum is 9797. Now children, let's move further and learn the addition of 4-digit number where we are having the carryover. Example 4 is we have to add the two numbers which are 6574 and 2657. Now arrange these numbers as per their place value in the proper columns of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Then stepwise do the addition as per the columns. First add 7 and 4 is 11. 11 is a two-digit number. So we will place 1 in ones column and 1 carryover will go to the tens column. 7 and 1, 8, 8 and 5, 13. Again 13. So 3 will remain in tens column and 1 will go to the hundreds column. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 12. 2 in the hundreds column and 1 will go to the thousands column. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2 is 9. So children, carryover will be done when the sum in any column is greater than 9. So the answer is 9231. And in example 5, again we have to add in the similar way. So we have to just take care how to arrange the digits in proper column. 9 plus 5 is 14, 4, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 3, 12, plus 8, 20, 0, 2 carry overs, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, plus 1, 15, 5, 1 carryovers, and then 4 and 1 5 plus 2 7. The required answer is 7504. Now dear children, let us take a short break of 3 minutes. Get ready with your maths notebook and solve the given 3 questions in your notebook. You need to add 895 and 567, then add 3037 and 2741, and then add 1346 and 8765. Students, you may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. 3 minutes break is over, children. I hope you all must have done these questions correctly. Before moving further, let us first check our answers. The answer to question number 1 is 1462. I hope you must have done it. Question number 2, the answer is 5778. It was without carryover. Okay. And question number 3 is, the answer comes out to be 10,111. So I hope the addition of 4 digits with and without carryover is clear to you. Now, let us start with addition stories. Children, you are aware what are addition stories. For these story sums, these things are to be observed carefully. First of all, you need to read and understand the statement carefully. Then check what is given in the question and what is to be found out. And then words such as in all, total, altogether, increased, they are used in solving the addition statements. Now let us solve few story sums. Example 1 is saying there are 1032 boys and 1263 girls in a school. How many students study in this school? Now children, see, the number of boys given are 1032 and the number of girls given in the school are 1263. So what we need to find out, how many students study in this school. That is, we need to find out the total. So total can be done by adding the number of boys and girls. So when we will do the total, we will just do the addition as we are doing. So adding the ones, adding the tens, adding the hundreds, and then adding the thousands. And the answer comes out to be 2,295 students study in the school. As per example 2, a toy exhibition was visited by 986 children on Monday and 1,234 children on Tuesday. How many children visited the exhibition in all? In all means altogether. Total, how many students have visited the exhibition? So, the statement will be as per the story sum. Number of children visited on Monday are 986. 3-digit number, so to be arranged in 3 columns of ones, tens and hundreds. Now on Tuesday, the visit was of 1234 children. 4-digit number, so need to be arranged up to the column of thousands. Taking their sum. Why sum? Because we have to find out the number of children in all. So adding the ones, adding the tens, adding the hundreds, and then adding the thousands. And number of children visited in all are 2,220 in 2 days. That is Monday and Tuesday. So we will write down the answer as 2,220 children visited the exhibition in all. So my dear students, I hope you must have understood how you need to attempt the story sums. So now some home assignment questions are there. You have to do them yourself. And it is practice only which will help you to become perfect in these questions. So home assignment questions are, which are to be done in the notebook. Exercise 2.1, question number 3 and 4. Exercise 2.3, the paths are C, F and K. Exercise 2.2, the paths are E, I and L. And from exercise 2.4, attempt the paths C, E and F only. Thank you, students.